In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert colors on an image using Canva. Whether you're looking to create eye-catching visuals or simply experiment with different effects, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, make your way over to your Canva project. If you haven't already started a project, don't worry, you can easily navigate to Canva's homepage and sign in or create a new account. Once inside your dashboard, choose a project you'd like to work on. This could be a design you've already started, or if you prefer, you can kick off a new one from scratch. Remember, the key is choosing the right project that you want to apply this color inversion effect to. Now that you have your project open, it's time to select the image you want to work with. Browse through your design elements, and once you find the image you have in mind, click on it. Selecting the image is crucial because this is the canvas that will undergo the color transformation. After you've selected your desired image, you'll notice the editing options display on the Canva interface. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Edit section. You'll find this option usually above the design workspace, often labeled simply as Edit. Once you click on this, look for the duotone option. This is where the magic happens. The duotone feature in Canva allows you to apply different color effects to your image, including inverting colors. When you click on duotone, a variety of preset options will appear, each offering different color schemes and effects. Browse through these presets and you'll notice that some create an inverted color effect on the image. When you find one that suits your aesthetic or the vibe you're going for, simply click to apply it to your image. This step is flexible. Feel free to experiment with different looks until you're satisfied with the transformation. And just like that, you're done. The colors of your selected image are now inverted, giving you a fresh, dynamic look. This simple effect can breathe new life into your visuals, allowing for cooler and sometimes more dramatic results. Once you're satisfied with the inversion, make sure to save your work. Canva automatically saves periodically, but it's always a good idea to double-check. This process, while straightforward, opens up a vast realm of creative possibilities. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or any graphic design project, the power of color inversion can bring a unique flair to your work. Thanks for watching and enjoy experimenting with your designs.